Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to introduce our factory to you. YHtfexp is the most comprehensive factory manufacturer for wiring harness. We supply all kinds of high quality aftermarket spare parts which are compatible with all kinds of brands such as Caterpillar, Komatsu, VOLVO, HITACHI, Kobelco, Kalmar, Perkins, Cummins, and so on. Now let's take a look at our production line. This is our warehouse. We keep many wiring harness spare parts in stocks to meet the global customers' requirement of rapid repairing the machine. Now let's take a look at our warehouse. We ship all wiring harness spare parts from here to global customers. We pack here, and there are many ready to ship today. And we have many high quality raw material such as the connectors and terminals, the raw material here, and here, this area also the raw material. And here is the ready-to-ship wiring harness spare parts, which is compatible with Caterpillar series machines. Now let's take a look at. We have the connectors and ECU plug, and many for which is convenient for the technical people to repair their machines. And here we have many wiring harness which are compatible with Caterpillar machines. Here, yeah, you can see. And this is compatible with 312D engine harness and 374D engine harness. This is the C15 engine, new versions. And here is the ECU plug and display connector, and 320GC ECU plug, special for repairing the machine. And here we have the 345D engine harness, engine power supply harness. And here, yes, we have many compatible with many machines series. This is the 3A5B engine harness. Yeah, 365B engine harness. And this one. Yeah. This is high quality. Yeah, have a look. This is the cabinet harness for 320CS and 33B, 33D, and 320D, and here, and here, and here. Here, this one is the engine testing harness for the C and D series engine to testing the engine of the machine. Yeah, you can have a look here. 365C and 33B engine temperature of the sensor harness for the water. And we also have the C7, C9 engine testing harness. And here we still have the 345D and 349D engine harness. Yeah, this area is mainly for engine harness for all series of machine. And this area also compatible for Caterpillar series machines, such as the 140H injector harness. This is the testing harness for the GC series and GC series testing harness. And this is the display plug and injector harness. This is for 33D hydraulic pump harness of the 325D, and many. Have a look. Yeah. And this area also all kind of the engine harness, because there are many machines. Yeah, this is the 374F engine harness, and this is the external main harness, 315D external main harness. and 320D2 internal harness. Oh, this area for the 320D2 engine harness, this area. Yeah, this area is the internal cap harness for all kinds of machines. And this also compatible for Caterpillar machines. Yeah, 329D, the arm harness, and 320D GC, the fuse box harness. And this is the fuse box harness too, 320D2. Yeah. Yeah, this area is for all kinds of machines of the fuse box. We have many fuse box wiring harness in stock. Yeah, have a look. 320D fuse box harness. Yeah, 32D and 33C fuse box harness. And 325C. Yeah. And this area we have many wiring harness. Oh, this is for Kobelco. Okay, this area is for Kobelco. We also have many wiring harness spare parts which compatible with Kobelco machines, such as the SK120-2 and SK135-6E. It's the engine harness. This is the hydraulic pump harness for 200-2, 200-2 engine harness and pump harness. This 120-3 engine harness. And 330-6E, 350-6E. And below is the external main harness for 350 Super A, the ECU harness. This is the external main harness. Yeah, external main harness. This also compatible for Kobelco. For Kobelco SK200-2 external main harness. SK135SR-2 ECU board harness. And yes, many series of machine. SK70-A engine harness and internal cap harness. And this is also the Kobelco J0A engine harness. And this is the fuse box harness and engine power harness for the small harness, generator harness. And here, yeah, we have many 200-6E and many, yeah. It's the company harness for the 120-2, the company machine harness. Oh, this is also for Caterpillar because the room of the warehouse is limited, so we also place other ready to ship here. And this also for Kobelco, for the Kobelco internal cap harness, 330-6E harness, and 200-10 internal cap harness, 310 internal cap harness. Yeah, many. We still have many here and here for different machines. And this area is for which, okay, this area is compatible with VOLVO series of machines. For VOLVO 140D engine ECU harness, 220D engine ECU harness, and D5E engine harness, and D5E engine ECU harness. And this is the main harness, 140B external main harness, and 300D external main harness. Yeah, here, have a look. And this also the external harness for many other machines of VOLVO. And also, yeah, the same for VOLVO. VOLVO 480D right operating platform harness. Yeah. And then, yeah. Engine start harness. 290B left operation platform harness. And many. Yeah, for the 290B main harness for the new versions. And this is for the Sumitomo series machines, which is the Sumitomo 46085 engine harness. Yeah, for the Sumitomo, the ECU plug, which is special for the repairing the ECU harness. And the ECU harness, yes, another one. The fuse box. The fuse box here. Also for the display harness and display harness. Oh, we also have the case for the case 360A display harness. Yeah. This is the main harness. And this area is compatible for Hyundai JCB 220 engine harness. And also for Perkins. This compatible with Perkins 2056 engine harness. Yeah, this is the part number. And this is for the Cummins CM2AA0 engine testing harness. Okay, this is the Perkins for the Perkins harness. This one for Perkins. For Cummins QXS15 engine testing harness. QSM11. Yeah. And okay, this is for Doosan DR0A. This is the part number engine harness. This is the injector harness for DR0A injector harness. Yes, this is the injector harness. And this is a plug. Yeah. Yeah, here. And here also have Hyundai. This is the DL06 engine harness. Okay. Here is part of the Hyundai. And this is car 2 for car 2. Mustache. Yeah, this is for car 2. Doosan. For Doosan DS300 LCA external harness. Yeah, 300 LCA. And Doosan 225 LCA external harness for car 2. Car 2 2045-3 harness. Yeah, for car 2. And this area is for Komatsu. For Komatsu, we have the 200-6, the small head external harness. 200-6, environment friendly machine external harness. 120-6, 406, 300-6, the big head external main harness. Yeah, there's also many other external main harness for Komatsu machines. This also for JCB 220 external harness. JCB. Yeah. Oh, also for JCB. Yeah, JCB. Yeah, this for Komatsu too. Komatsu 22A US-3 internal cap harness. 130-7 internal harness. 200-6, 200-7 internal harness. Yeah, you can have a look. Yeah. And here 200-7 new version internal cap harness. And 360-7 the new one, the new machine, new version of the machine, the internal cap harness. Yeah, this also 400-7 internal harness. Okay, so this is the also for Komatsu. Okay, this is for Kalmar. Have a look. For Kalmar harness. Yeah, this for Kalmar. And for Komatsu, 300-7 ZO. Yeah. Okay, so this area also for Komatsu. series machines. Yeah, have a look. We have many. For Komatsu 400A engine harness, 400A engine injector harness, and for 300A engine harness, and here 400A engine harness, 300A engine harness, 200A engine harness. Yeah, have a look. This is PC 700-A0 engine harness. Yeah. This one. And 600-A injector harness. Yeah, this is for the this Panama. And this. Yeah. Okay, this one, the HD 465-7EO engine harness. Yeah. Okay, this is the 800-A engine harness. Yeah, this is also engine harness. A50-A engine harness. And yeah. Yeah, 200-AMO external harness. Yeah. This one 200-10MO external harness. And 800-A external harness. And this one 500-10MO harness. And here is the big harness. Oh, 3-A, the main harness. Yeah. Yeah, here. Yeah. Many. This is for Hitachi. Hitachi 130-5A external harness. This area is compatible for the Hitachi series machine wiring harness. And this is for the Komatsu 400-7 engine harness. And this area is for the ECU plug for the repairing the harness for the machine, for the connector with the wire assembly. And this one, yeah, PC7A display harness. This is the 400-7 injector harness. Yeah. The high quality connector and terminals. Yeah, this is for Komatsu HD 7A5-7, the engine harness. Yeah, this one. Yeah. We have the number for each wire. This is the same machine on the right side, the left side. Yeah, this one. HD 7A5-7, the engine harness. Here, different series. The switch. Also the switch for the Komatsu 6, the throttle switch. Yeah. Yeah, also the 7 engine harness. And for the fuse box. For the fuse box for Komatsu. PC-5, 60-7. Yeah, the air conditioner harness and the testing harness, the generator harness. Okay. Yeah, it is the injector harness. injector harness. Yeah, this is the 1250-AR, the engine harness. Okay. Yeah. The generator harness. Generator harness. Okay. Okay, this is the injector harness. Have a look. Injector harness. Yeah, this area for the Hitachi, compatible with Hitachi spare parts. Yeah, engine harness. This is the 6HK1 engine testing harness. You see, the quality is very good for the connector. Yeah. Hitachi machines. 4HK1 engine testing harness. 4JJ1 engine testing harness. Yeah, this is. Oh yeah, also for the Hitachi machine, ZS300-1 external main harness. Yeah. External harness. ES400-3 external harness. ES200-5 external harness. Yeah, this one. Yeah, also the radio harness, display harness. 360-5A. Yeah, there are many. Yeah, also the external harness for the 200-3, 120-3, ES 450-5 external main harness. Yeah. Yeah, this is all our warehouse. What we have. So if you cannot find your harness, you can send the part number for us to check. So we will check for you one by one. Thank you. So this floor is our wiring harness assembly line. Here, have a look. Yeah, some wiring harness. This is the test platform. We test every unit of the wiring harness to make sure the quality is good, the connection is good before we ship. Yeah, this is the assembly table for different wiring harness according to different schematic. Yeah, we have some ready to ship for the harness pack here too. Here, some of the harness. Yeah, here we assembly and protection, made the protection. And this is the tube. And here is our brain machine for different size. Yeah, for different size. So this is what we have for this floor. Okay. So this area is our wire cable cutting and crimping area. So you can see we have different wire placed here and different wire we finish crimping from our machine. Yeah, here. Yeah, we also receive the old harness from our customers because they cannot buy the harness in the market, so they send the old harness to us. We develop according to their old harness to make their machine to work again. Yeah, yeah. This is the old harness samples sent from our customers, and then we will make a new one, high quality new one for them to repair their machine. So this is the okay. This is the wire cutting and crimping machine. So it's the automatically to cutting the harness, crimping the terminals to the harness. For each crimping, this machine can measure the crimping power for each crimping to make sure the quality is the same. So this is Yeah, here it's by hand, for crimping by hand. Okay, so this is the wire. We finished cutting and crimping. And here some raw material connectors. And this is the material of connectors and terminals. Yeah, we also have the tape to tie the wire. Yeah, we have different size. Yeah, we have also have many other size, different type of wire placed here. And this is the tube to protection for the wire. And the plastic waterproof. Yeah. Okay, so that is what we have for this floor. Okay. So this area is our wire cable production line. Have a look. So we buy the copper wire to rotate to assembly in different size here, and then we come here to produce the wire cable. This is the raw material for the plastic material. So from here is for the seal, printing. You know, because for some of harness we need to print the number on the wire, so we use here to print the numbers. And here we rotate the wire here, the braid area. This is the twisted area. So this is for the wire we finish. We have different standard, different size. For the US standard, Japanese standard. Yes. Yeah, different size. This is our lab. We testing the quality here for the temperature testing and for the wire bending testing machine to testing. And this is the independent testing. So we need to test for every hour cable to make sure the quality meet the requirement for different machines.